Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about custom instructions on ChatGPT. Now, before we get on with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure you tap on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So basically, ChatGPT just released a new feature called custom instructions, and that was just about an hour ago. So it's kind of like very recent. It's a very recent update. And basically in this video I'm going to be talking about what the custom instructions option is all about and how you can use it to get better prompts on your ChatGPT. So basically, why the custom instructions option was released on ChatGPT is for you to improve your prompts on ChatGPT and for you to get better results on your search. So basically, if you use any AI service, you find out that the most important factor are your prompts, and if you don't have good prompts, then you're not going to get good results on your searches. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT's new feature called the custom instructions feature. So basically, once you search for OpenAI on your Google search and then you scroll a little bit downwards, you're going to see this part that says custom instructions for ChatGPT. Now, once you tap on that, you're going to be brought to this tab that says they're rolling out custom instructions to give you more control over how ChatGPT is going to respond to you. And when you scroll a little bit downwards, you're going to be seeing a difference between when custom instructions are activated on your ChatGPT and when it's not. Now, I'm just going to be toggling this off. So now, once you search for, let's say a question like what would be 3 important things to teach about the moon, you can see it just like automatically generates the 3 most important things for to teach about the moon. So you can see right there, this is basically how ChatGPT generates prompts that you give it. It basically just gives you your answers directly and then explains the answer. But then they are trying to say once you toggle on the custom instructions right here, you're going to be asked 2 questions. Number 1, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So you can see you will just talk about that as it pertains to you. This person said, I work on science education programs for 3rd grade students. So basically, ChatGPT is going to keep that in mind while giving you an answer. And then you can see how would you like ChatGPT to respond. So basically, when discussing potential solutions, present the information in a table format, then outline the pros and cons and put it in kind of like table format. You can see right here in table format. So basically, this is what ChatGPT is going to generate. It's going to generate a better result for you, not just dropping the 3 answers just like this, like basically randomly. Once you have the custom instructions on, then it's going to put it in this table format and tailor it for 3rd grade students, like you said in the first part of the custom instruction. Now, one thing you're going to want to know is that this is not directly available on your ChatGPT for web right now. You can see right here, this is my OpenAI right here, and basically it's not available right now on OpenAI. I think this is just loading up real quick. So basically it's not available for free users of ChatGPT. It's only available for premium users of ChatGPT right now. So basically, if you want to get this, you can just search for ChatGPT Plus and then you can pay for ChatGPT Plus. And once you pay for ChatGPT Plus, you're going to get the custom instructions option. But I don't really, if you are not actually in tune with paying for ChatGPT Plus, then basically after a while, I'm sure they're going to roll it out for free subscribers. I don't know, maybe after a month or something like that. It's definitely going to be available for free users on ChatGPT. But if you cannot wait that long for the new feature, then make sure you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for you to be able to get the feature. So basically, guys, that's all for the video. I'm going to be making another video on my channel using the feature because I have a paid account, but I'm not logged in right now. So I'm going to be logging into my PC and then I'm going to be making another video showing you how you can use the feature once you're on the paid plan. So basically, guys, that's all for the video. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.